Hello students, welcome to RAO'S maths class. Today we are going to discuss a problem on statistics. How to find mean. So this is the question we are taking now. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 30 households in a locality. It was given as daily expenditure in rupees 100 to 150 for 1 200, 200, 250, 250, 300, 300 to 350. Number of households are 4, 5, 12, 6, and 3. Find the mean daily expenditure on food by a suitable method. This is the solution. See, actually, for the mean, we have three methods. One is there are three methods in our statistics for calculation of mean. One is the direct method. Second is the deviation method. And third is the step deviation method. In these three methods, you will get the same answer. Then why we are going to study all these three methods? Why we are studying all these three methods in our subject? Because for easy calculations, we are going to study the three methods. Because for easy calculation. Now, is asking find the mean direction on food by a suitable method means I prefer please do the step deviation method because it's easy calculations. Okay, so how to solve this problem by using the step deviation method? So here the solution is it was given as a horizontal, so we'll write in a vertical. So daily expenditure number of households so it was given as 100 to 150 as 4 and 150 to 200 as 5 and 200 to 250 as 12 and 250 to 300 as 6 and 300 to 350 as 3. This was given here. Now, for any of this problem, what we have to do is the first we have to calculate the class mark representing with xi. How we will get the class mark? Class mark means nothing but the average of the lower limit and the upper limit of the class interval. So how you will get the class mark? So 100 plus 150 by 2 is equal to 250 by 2 is equal to 125. Similarly, 150 plus 200 by 2 is equal to 350 by 2 is equal to 175. Next is 200 plus 250 by 2 is equal to 450 by 2 is equal to 2 2 are 4, 2 2 are 4, 2 5 are. So this is the way you get it. Or otherwise, what you can do is the class size is 150 minus 100 is 50, 200 minus 150 is 50. So 250 minus 200 is 50, 300 minus 250 is 250. So we are having a class size of 50. So you can add 125 plus 50, 175, 175 plus 50, 225, 225 plus 50 is equal to 275. 275 plus 50 is equal to 325. So you'll get it like this, or you can do it like this: 250 plus 300 by 2 is equal to 550 by 2 is equal to 2 jar 4, 2 7 jar 14, 2 5 jar. So you got it now. So either this way you can do it, or adding up a class size you can get it the results. But thing is that first one you have to do it like this: 100 plus 150 by 2 is equal to 250 by 2 is equal to 125. So after that you can add 50 50 50 for the rest of the class intervals. So this is the class mark. So what you have to get it is DI. DI is equal to XI minus A. So DI is equal to XI minus A. So how you get the DI? XI minus A. XI is this one. A means what? We have to make the assumed mean. A is called the assumed mean. So in this 125, 175, 225, 275, 325, you can take it any value as the assumed mean. So here I am taking this as the assumed mean. So I am taking 225 as the assumed mean. Okay, I am taking 225 as the assumed mean. So 125 minus 225 is equal to how much? Minus 100. So 175 minus 225 is equal to minus 50. So 225 minus 225 is equal to 0. 275 minus 225 is equal to 50. And 325 minus 225 is equal to 100. So you will get like this. This is the DI. Next is UI. UI is equal to XI minus A by H. H is the size of the class size. Or you can take it any number which is a factor for all this. Numbers. Either way you can take it. So I am taking now this as the class size as 50. So H is equal to 50 I am taking. So UI is equal to XI minus A by H, means minus 100 by 50 is equal to minus 2. Minus 50 by 50 is equal to minus 1. 0 by 50 is equal to 0. So 50 by 50 is equal to 1. So 100 by 50 is equal to 2. So you will get it like this as the UI. So this is the UI values. So what next is you have to do is Fi into UI. Fi into UI. Fi into UI means how you will get it, what you will get it here. So this is UI. You got it like this. These are the values of UI. So this is called the Fi. This is Fi. So Fi means this one. So this is the frequencies. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. 12 into 0 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So 6 into 1 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. This is the values, you got it. Now, what is the formula for mean in step deviation method? So, mean will be represented as x bar is equal to, step deviation formula is a plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h. This is the formula, we will use it here. Sigma is nothing but the summation. Summation is adding all the numbers. So here if you go for this one, sigma Fi means this is the Fi ui. Sigma Fi means you have to add all these things. So how will you add this one? So first you have to do, whenever you are having the positive numbers and negative numbers, first split it that one. So minus 8, minus 5 you add it. These two you add it. What is the minus 8? Minus 5. What you will get it here? Both are having the same sign. So you have to add the numbers. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. When both are having the minus, this is also you get the minus. Similarly, for these two, 6 plus 6 is equal to how much? 12. So these are the two, you will get it here. So if you add this one, if you add minus 13 plus 12, if you want to add these two, minus 13 plus 12, when you are having the different signs, you want to add the different sign numbers. What you have to do is, you have to subtract the numbers. How you will make the subtraction? Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So 13 minus 12 is equal to how much? So 1. So you get 1. Sign, how you get, what is the sign you will get it here? So you have to put the sign of the bigger number. In 13 and 12, 13 is the bigger number. Sign of the 13 is minus. So you will get it as minus. So sigma Fi ui is equal to minus 1. Sigma Fi. Sigma Fi means this is sigma Fi. You get it here. Sigma Fi. Sigma Fi means adding all these things. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. So 0 and 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 30. So you got it. A is equal to what you got it here? A is equal to 225. You have taken this as the assumed mean. And sigma Fi ui is equal to what you got it here? Minus 1. Sigma Fi is equal to 30. And H is equal to size of the class is equal to how much? 150 minus 100. So 50. Substituting the values here, what will get it here? X bar is equal to 225 plus sigma Fi means what? Minus 1 by sigma Fi means 30 into 50. So what will get here? X bar is equal to 225 plus into minus is minus 1 by 30 into 50. So that is equal to 225 minus 1 into 50 by 30. So that is equal to 225 minus 50 by 30. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. So what you will get here? X bar is equal to 225 minus 5 by 3. So 5 by 3, divide the numbers. Divide 5 with 3. 3 1 jar 3 minus 2. 0.0. 3 6 jar 18 minus 2 0. 3 6 jar 18 2 0 6 jar. So you will get like this continuous. So if you take it 2 decimals means you can approximately take it as 225 minus 1.67. So I am taking 2 decimals only. So 2 decimals, this is the second decimal. If the next number is more than 5, you have to add 1 to this one. So 1.67 it become. So 225 minus 165, 1.67 means 225 minus 1.67, 0.00. So 3, 9 minus 6 is 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, 2, 2. That is equal to, so what you will get here? 223.33. This is the answer you get. So X bar is equal to rupees 223.33. This is the final answer you got it here. This is the answer you got it for this question. Okay, now here what I have taken is, this is the formula you have to remember clearly. Here we have one more time, I am repeating you one more time. There are 3 methods: direct method, deviation method and step deviation method. You can use any of the method, but thing is that why we are studying all these 3 means for easy calculations. For easy calculation, I prefer whenever they ask the question like this, find the mean daily expenditure put by a suitable method means suitable method, we go for the step deviation method. How to do the step deviation? This is the way you will get the step deviation method results. Okay, first you have to calculate the class mark. How to get the class marks? I have shown you like this here. So di is xi minus a. So xi means these are the xi values. A is I am taking the assumed mean. You can take any of the value as a assumed mean, no problem. You will get the same answer. Okay, na? So you after substituting the values in the formula, you will get the result as x bar is equal to 223.33. This is the solution for this question. I hope you understand this question. Thank you.